Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of getting FNAF 2 on your PC at no cost. First, you'll need to open Steam. If you don't have it installed, go ahead and download it from the official website. Once Steam is open, click on the search bar at the top and type in FNAF 2 or Five Nights at Freddy's 2. You'll see several. Select the correct game titled Five Nights at Freddy's 2. Now, on the game's store page, you'll notice the listed price. While the game is normally paid, Steam occasionally offers it for free during special promotions, seasonal sales, or limited-time events. To catch these opportunities, make sure to wishlist the game and keep an eye on Steam's official sales, such as the summer sale, winter sale, or special publisher promotions. You can also follow official FNAF social media channels or community updates for announcements on free giveaways. Remember, patience is key. Free offers are time-limited, so staying updated will help you get the game when it becomes available at no cost. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and updates. Thank you for watching.